Hello guys! We're so happy you liked our crayon crafts that we decided to try and make some more.
Then let's get started!
I have no objections.
Sue, are you sure about that? I mean, you should use paint on the canvas, not crayons. And definitely not glue.
But our picture is going to be very special, Sammy. You'll see. Alright, let's glue this one. This. Ha!
That's modern art to you?
Sammy, it's not finished yet. Stop being so sarcastic. You better look how beautiful it is. Now we need to wait for it to set. In the meantime, I'll prepare the second part of our picture.
Oh, flowers.
Yes, Sammy, we're going to glue these artificial flowers to our green stems.
Susie, that's a radical new way to create 3D pictures.
I'm glad you like it, Sammy. Do you like it, guys? You can combine colors any way you want. Hey, Sam! For crying out loud, you can't just throw trash around. Actually, we need a cup like this for the next craft. We'll put a candle wick inside.
Sam says he's sorry for littering.
All right, I forgive him.
Hooray!
Let's break our wonderful crayon into pieces and add some more colors. It'll be very beautiful.
Did you say beautiful? I want to make something beautiful too.
Go ahead. This is the combination of colors I have.
And this is mine.
Great. Now we need to melt everything.
And while we're waiting, you have time to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.
Ding ding, done! Let's release our creations from their paper captivity.
Alright, give me a second.
Now it's time to play sculptors for a little bit. Be careful with the cutter, guys. We need to cut off the wax pieces shaping the candle like a magic crystal. This cutter isn't working.
This one should work.
Thank you, Sammy. Let's give it a try. It really does! There!
Here's mine.
So beautiful, Sammy! Guys, give a thumbs up if you like Sam's candle.
Susie, some of our glitter crayons broke.
What shall we do? Let's try to fix things. First, we'll divide the crayons in groups by color. And now, hop! We melt them. Be careful with this stage, guys.
I sense that you'll need this now.
Sammy, you never stop surprising me.
Well, it's my job to always know what you need. Be careful, Sue. The wax is very hot.
Thank you. I'm so lucky to have you. And our new crayon is ready.
Wow, just my size.
Also, it's very convenient and beautiful.
Come on, Sue. Careful, careful.
Yes, Sam. The baking tray is really hot, so I'm using oven mitts.
Good for you. Here's the paper.
Good. Let's carefully put it on the pan.
Don't forget to secure it.
Thanks. I'm glad you're on good terms with masking tape so you don't stick to it anymore.
Well, it's all about experience.
Oh, we're going to get some new experience right now. We'll draw a picture with crayons on a hot baking tray.
suppose our canary cook wants to know the recipe.
Yeah? Well, we'll use her crayon for sure. When the picture is set, you can remove it from the tray.
And put into a frame.
Right! Pop! Crayons on clothes?
It's just wow! Do you agree, guys?
I do agree. And to prove it, I'll draw the word wow on my t-shirt. First, let's secure the template on the t-shirt. Now we need an iron. The iron is very hot. Ask an adult to help you with this craft. Protect the iron surface with foil.
Here come glitter crayons.
Right, Sammy. Look, it's so cool! Let's apply our melted crayons to the t-shirt. There we go.
It's just some weird stain.
We should just wait a little while it sets. And now, carefully. Ta-da! Look, it's amazing!
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like Sue's new t-shirt.
Guys, which crayon craft did you like the most today? Wonderful, everlasting crayon flowers? Magic crystal-shaped crayon candles? A convenient thick glitter crayon? Our amazing picture made on a baking tray? Or a crayon drawing on a t-shirt?
Write in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Bye-bye!
Bye!